Hello, students. I had a few people asking about question 13. This is out of 12.4 MCs. So let me get just a little bit of white space here. And so we got a person standing a certain distance from a lamppost. All right, so here's the idea. Let's get a sketch going. And okay, so there's a lamppost. I have no idea how tall this lamppost is, and that's okay. But what we have is the person is 15 feet from the lamppost. Okay. And so then you got to picture, here's the person. Okay. There's the person. Okay. And then the shadow from the lamp, right, comes down something like this. Okay. And so then you have this shadow length. And what they're saying is the light cast by the shadow is 5 feet long. The person is 6 foot tall. The lamppost, I have no idea, right? I'll call it H for height. And we know she is 15 feet from the lamppost. So what does that mean? Well, you can create similar triangles. You have two triangles here. Notice they each have a 90-degree angle right there, and they each have this other angle right over here that they share. So angle similarity. You can also say, I know that 5 is to the whole length. 5 is to 20 as 6 is to h. So set up those corresponding pieces. And that allows you to solve for h. Now, what's going to happen is this person, right, in their infinite wisdom is going to say, okay, now I'm going to walk 8 feet closer to the lamppost. So I know exactly how far away she is from the lamppost. Now, right? So bring her closer. She was 15 feet away. Now she's 8 feet closer, which tells you how far away she is from the lamppost. So you're just going to come out here and draw a new triangle, right? Where she is a certain distance away from the lamppost, and the shadow is going to be different. And so you've got this one right here. There's the person. They moved closer. Again, at this point, because you solved for the first one, you'll know the height of the lamppost. And you know how tall the person is. They're still 6 feet tall. You actually know exactly how far away they are, and you're just looking for the distance. Again, that is a 6. All right. So now you have 6 is to h, and you know what h is because you solved the first one, as d is to d plus whatever this number is, and it's the number that comes by moving 8 feet closer. Put those into your ratios, and you can solve for d, which is the distance of the shadow. How long would her shadow be if she was 8 feet closer? All right, that should do it. Hope that works for you, and off you go.